Passage number 23. The Election Commission of Pakistan in 2007 decided to conduct general elections in the month of February 2008. Mr. Muhammad Amin Umarani, the respondent number 1, submitted his nomination papers against a seat of the Balochistan Provincial Assembly constituency of Provincial number 9 Nasirabad on the basis of the degree allegedly issued to him by the University of Balochistan. Full stop. The respondent number 1 contested the elections and subsequently was declared and notified as a successful candidate. Full stop. On formation of the Balochistan cabinet, he became the part of it as a Minister for Excise and Taxation Department, Government of Balochistan. Full stop. Through the instant petition, the petitioner called in question the elections of the respondent number 1 on the ground that to contest the elections in 2008, a candidate must be a graduate, but the degree of the respondent number 1 is forged. Therefore, he is not a graduate. Full stop. To support his contention, this petitioner annexed with his petition the examination form submitted before the University of Balochistan for appearance in the exams of bachelor examination. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that the respondent number 1 did not appear in examination hall. Rather, in his place, Mr. Mumtaz Ali, the respondent number 4, appeared and solved the papers. As such, succeeded in getting the degree fraudulently. The petitioner prayed to issue a writ of quo warranto against the respondent number 1, declaring him to be disqualified. First stop. Notice of the petition was issued to the respondents. In response, the University of Balochistan filed its paravised comments, and on the direction of this court, they submitted a report in respect of the examination form and the documents submitted before the examination branch. Full stop. The private respondents also submitted their separate paravised comments denying contention of the petitioner. Full stop. Land counsel for the petitioner stated that on coming to know about the fraud committed by the respondent number 1, the petitioner, having no alternate and efficacious remedy, approached this court with a request to ask the respondent number 1 as to how he holds the office in view of the established facts that his degree is forged. Full stop. According to him, the contention of the petitioner got supported from the report of the University of Balochistan. Therefore, the respondent number 1 is not entitled to retain the office. Full stop. The Land Council stated that this court has the power to declare the election for the respondent number 1 as null and void. Full stop. He relied upon a judgment passed in the case of Miss Musammat Hazan versus the Government of Balochistan, reported in PLD 2005 Quota 145, and Saifullah Khan versus Hafiz Hamdullah, reported in PLD 177 Quota 104. Full stop. Land Council for the respondents number 1 to 4 opposed the contention and stated that this court has no jurisdiction to entertain the petition for the reason that it is an election dispute which is tribal by an election tribunal, and it is also involves a factual controversy. Therefore, it cannot be resolved through a constitution petition. Hence, the petition is not maintainable. Full stop. Land Council for the respondent number 1 argued that the degree has lawfully obtained from the University of Balochistan, and the respondent number 1 himself appeared and solved the papers in the exam. Full stop. The Land Council for the respondent number 4 also supported the contention of the respondent number 1 and stated that he never appeared in the examination of BA in place of the respondent number 1. Full stop. Both the Land Council for the respondents number 1 and further stated that the documents relied upon the petitioner are forged and have been manipulated by him in connivance with the university officials, whereas the degree is genuine. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat Lahore, as well as Principal Ajmer Shorthand and Computer College Shahadra.